The world looks full of different things. Metal spoons, balloons, trees, water, and stars. But what if all these things were built using the same tiny building blocks? In our tiny invisible world, everything is made of atoms. But not all atoms are the same. Some atoms are light. Some are heavy. Some are friendly and love connecting with others. And some prefer to stay alone. A group of atoms that are all the same kind is called an element. But how do scientists know one element from another? The secret is hidden inside the atom. Scientists count the number of protons in the atom's nucleus. 1 proton? That's hydrogen. 2 protons? That's helium. 6 protons? That's carbon. Long ago, scientists discovered something amazing. All the elements could be organized into one giant puzzle called the periodic table. Think of the periodic table like a giant library of atoms, where every element has its own special place. Hydrogen is the lightest element. It powers stars and helps form water. Oxygen helps living things breathe and combines with hydrogen to make water. Carbon is a master builder. It connects easily and helps create plants, animals, and people. The periodic table isn't random. Its rows and columns hide important patterns. Elements in the same column act like families. They often behave in similar ways. Some elements love bonding with others. Some are shy and react very little. These peaceful elements are called noble gases. They usually prefer staying by themselves. Most atoms stay stable for a very long time. But some atoms are different. They are unstable. Sometimes an atom's nucleus becomes too crowded or unbalanced. When this happens, the atom may release tiny pieces or energy. That process is called radioactivity. Remember the nucleus, the heavy center filled with protons and neutrons? Some nuclei are perfectly balanced. Others become unstable because their particles do not fit together comfortably. The atom tries to become more stable by releasing energy. When radioactive atoms change, they can release invisible energy and tiny particles. It may look like tiny fireworks happening inside the atom. Certain elements are naturally radioactive, like uranium and radium. Some stay radioactive for millions or even billions of years. Radioactivity sounds scary, but it is not always dangerous. In controlled amounts, scientists and doctors use it to help people. It can help treat diseases, study ancient fossils, and even power spacecraft. Some space missions use radioactive materials as long-lasting power sources, helping spacecraft explore places where sunlight is too weak. So radioactivity is really an atom trying to become stable again. Even tiny particles follow the rules of balance. When elements connect, something exciting happens. A chemical reaction. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom join together to create water. The water you drink, the rain, the oceans, all built from atoms connecting. Everything you see is made from elements combining in different ways. But where did these elements come from? Many were born inside giant stars. Stars act like enormous factories, creating new elements deep inside their fiery cores. When stars die, those elements travel through space, eventually helping form planets, oceans, and even us. So the periodic table is more than a chart. It is the story of every atom, every object, and everything in the universe.